I felt taken advantage of, and being far from family was hard. Yet I press on, holding on to hope for a better future. Hello everyone, my name is Maria Feb. My nickname is Pink. I grew up in Iloilo City, Western Visayas, Philippines. I have 2 sons and 3 grandchildren, a girl and 2 boys. Like many of you, we faced poverty back home, and I had to work overseas to support my family. I arrived in the United States in 1986 and had worked as a caregiver for almost 40 years. When I first came here, I faced racism from my employer and was asked to do tasks beyond my duties. 6 years ago, I learned about Damayan from a coworker. I have been an active member for 6 months since retiring, and I now have more time to give back. Since joining Damayan, I have learned my rights as a worker and as an immigrant when interacting with ICE, and how to pursue financial empowerment and more. I have gained leadership skills and feel empowered by the education and support Damayan provides. As a domestic worker fellow, I outreach to members by calling and texting them, recruit new members, and participate in events and rallies. I continue to volunteer 5 days a week because being with everyone is a joy. Being with Damayan had improved my physical and mental health, and it reminds me that we learn from and empower from each other. I believe in Damayan's mission and deeply appreciate its members and staff. It is the only Filipino nonprofit organization I trust. My dream is to continue supporting our community so that we all have the support, family, and knowledge to grow together. To our kababayan, please support Damayan and our community by becoming a member. Mabuhay tayong lahat! Maraming salamat!